All right, let's talk about the table, converting this into a bed. First thing you want to do is unscrew this little attachment down here and get it nice and loose. And boom, table comes off. Okay, and then this might be a little tough. Just kind of work it out, shimmy it out, and this comes out like that. Store it away somewhere safe. And then we're gonna slide the table into this slot here, like that. And then this cushion here, we're gonna go ahead and, it's like a nice little fun puzzle. Right, there you go. And you're like, wait, who's missing the last puzzle piece? Ah, it's right here. And there you go. You have yourself a bed. Now, if you have larger folks that want to sleep here, remove these for extra length. But if you have smaller kiddos, you want to have nice little bumpers for them, there you go. So that's how to convert this table into a bed.